Hey guys, welcome back! Today I'll show you how to claim the 50% Happy Hour bonus on FireFaucet and boost your ACP earnings. If you're new, my referral link is in the description. Join from there and start earning. Before Happy Hour started, I already claimed all available ads and faucet on FireFaucet. To earn a bit more, I did BitkoTask and watched small ads. Earned 240 ACP plus 9 ACP. It's now 2:45 p.m. and Happy Hour will start in 15 minutes. Get your dashboard ready and watch as the bonus becomes available automatically at 3 p.m. Sweden time. While we wait for Happy Hour to start, I'll quickly show CoinPayu, another earning platform. Right now I have $13 balance there, and I'll show the withdrawal process from CoinPayu in my next video. Happy Hour is now running, only 1 hour. As you can see, my ACP balance is 176. Current USD value is 86 cents. The 50% Happy Hour bonus will apply automatically on any ACP earned during this period. Earlier, 14,000 ACP equals $0.12. During Happy Hour, the value became $0.20. Happy Hour only works for ACP. Keep claiming faucet and ads regularly. You can also complete small tasks on other platforms to prepare more ACP for the next Happy Hour. That's today's Happy Hour update. Links to all authentic earning sites are in the description. Join and keep earning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.